Hi all, I'm back again. This is your Connect guru, Dave Walker, with another episode about Connect 9 events. Last time we talked about event templates and how easy it is to set up rich-looking event landing pages and email messages. Today, I want to talk a little about some other new features for Adobe Connect events. As you can see, we're back on the event setup page. The first thing you do when you're creating a new event in Connect 9 is to select the template you want to use for your landing pages or microsite. Now, if you're not familiar with templates, that means you missed the first video in this series. So I encourage you to go back and view it when you finish this one. Another of those new features is the Register Without Password option. Sometimes we want to make sure that there are absolutely no roadblocks to someone attending our event. Even the requirement for them to remember their password can be perceived as a detriment to getting logged in. If you have events like that, you're going to love the Register Without Password option. This does exactly what it sounds like it should do. Registrants will not need a password to register or attend an event. They'll only need their email address. Additionally, you can now set a registration limit. So if your seminar room is limited to 500 attendees, make that your limit and you won't get 600 registrants. Another cool feature is Allow Direct Entry. Have you ever wanted to attend a webinar that's just starting, but you haven't registered yet? Did you have to go register and then wait for an email? Did you then have to use the link in the email to get to the login page where you enter your email address and password? Well, the Allow Direct Entry feature bypasses all of that. If your attendees register at the time of the event, they'll go directly from the registration page into the event. No waiting for an email or needing to get logged in. In addition to the event logo, we're now able to attach other images to our event. There's a small banner image, which is typically used in the email communications and the event catalog, the large banner image, which is typically used on the landing pages, and a speaker image. Here's another cool feature that goes hand in hand with the new event catalog: event tags. These tags, which the event administrator can create, are used on the event catalog page to filter the list of events to those that match the selected tag. This allows the user to quickly find a subset of events for a specific subject. For the automated email communications that Connect can send out, you now have the ability to add some custom triggers. For example, there's already an email reminder that defaults to be sent 24 hours before the event. But what if you wanted to send another reminder 2 hours before the event? You simply check the checkbox for a custom trigger, make sure that you set the type to Event Reminder, and click the Customize link. Now you can change the settings for this event reminder. Instead of sending the email at a specific date and time, we're going to set it to be relative to the time of the event. Then we'll set it to 2 hours before the event. Everything else the registrant needs to know is already included in the template for this email, and we can see a preview of that below. If we need to add something special to our email, we can even create a custom template that can include additional text, images, and other information. And this may seem like a no-brainer, but the ability to duplicate the event is a great time saver for you. Say, for example, that you have an event that required a lot of time to create some very complex custom questions, like a state field that lists all 50 states in a drop-down menu. The next time you create an event that needs that same treatment, you're not going to want to recreate all those questions from scratch. No problem. When you duplicate a Connect event, the new event inherits all of your custom registration questions, so you no longer have to do all of that work for each of your events. I love these new features. In our next video, I'd like to talk about the Adobe Site Catalyst integration with Adobe Connect 9 and the great marketing analytics and engagement reports that provide for after-event follow-up. If you have any questions about Adobe Connect, you can contact me using the information on the screen. Until next time, this is your Connect Guru signing off.